Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chemical formula of compounds. What do you understand by the term chemical formula of a compound? The chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its chemical composition. Once more, the chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its chemical composition. For instance, water. I write H2O, sodium chloride, NaCl. Chemical formulae provide insight into the chemical composition of a compound. You come to know exactly the chemical composition of a compound. They represent the ratios in which the constituent elements combine to form the compound. For example, H2O. So the ratio is 2:1 between hydrogen and oxygen atom. Now, how to write chemical formula? Very important. You cannot do well in chemistry without this knowledge of writing the chemical formula correctly. In order to write a chemical formula correctly, it is imperative to know the symbol of the elements and the valency. Formulae of the basic radicals and acid radicals. When I'm talking about basic radicals, it means the positive charged ions. That means cations. Acid radicals are negatively charged. They are anions. Now what are the steps? To write a chemical formula? Step 1. The symbols of the elements forming the compound are written. For example, you are asked to write the formula of calcium hydroxide. First step, you're going to write the symbols calcium Ca, hydroxide OH. Step 2. The valency of each element is written below the symbols. Calcium has valency 2. Hydroxide has valency -1. Step 3. The valency or charges are interchanged. So, calcium gets valency 1. Hydroxide gets valency 2. Step 4. The valencies can be divided by any common factor to simplify the formula. In case it is not possible, the valencies are written as they are. Now let's take this example, carbon dioxide. Carbon, the valency is 4. Oxygen, the valency is -2. When I interchange, carbon gets 2 and oxygen gets 4. So the formula will take this shape, C2O4. Now simplify the formula by common factor 2. So I divide across by 2. Then it becomes CO2. So the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2 and not C2O4. This is how you write a chemical formula correctly. You have to follow these 4 steps strictly. And in order to write a chemical formula, you got to memorize the list of the positive charged ions and the list of negative charged ions, which I dealt with you in the previous class. Now you have assignment 8. Assignment 8 is based on whatever I have taught you today and day before yesterday. Apply your learning and answer the questions given below. Question number 1. Write the formulae for the following exactly the same way as shown above. Number 1, aluminium chloride. Number 2, zinc hydroxide. Number 3, ammonium chloride. 4, potassium carbonate. Number 5, copper 2 oxide. Now copper 2 oxide here, it refers to what? Copper has valency 2. Number 6, iron 2 sulfide. Similarly, iron has valency 2 sulfide. Number 7, sodium sulfate. Number 8, calcium nitrate. Number 9, magnesium bicarbonate. And number 10 is ferric hydroxide. Please write the answers neatly and correctly as I have done it in this particular format. So you also do it the same way. Thank you.